Good morning, everyone. It's me, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi to oraifite. I'm here today to solicit for support for my daughter Queen Desire. As you all know, the contest is still going on Film House Africa in Lagos. And as of today, they have already entered stage 4 of that competition. Please, I need your support. Support her. A vote for Queen Desire, my daughter, is a vote for me, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi. I'm pleading and calling all of my fans and friends to vote for her. How to vote? You will see a banner that shows the account number of the organizers, and also you will see a WhatsApp number of the organizers. How to vote? A vote is 100 naira. You vote any amount is okay. No amount is too small, no amount is too big. How many votes you want to give to her, send it to the organizer's account. Then photocopy evidence and send to their WhatsApp group and explain that the vote is for Queen Desire. Then they can copy me, you can forward the evidence to me, so that from my own end I can follow up to ensure that your vote counts. Or if you cannot follow, if you cannot follow that method, you can as well then chat me on WhatsApp 0805-7837-672. You can ask for my account number. Any amount you want to vote for her, I will do the voting, and I will also update you on that. Please, in the name of the Most High, the Creator of the whole universe, I beg of you, if you love Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi, support my daughter at this point in time. They are on stage 4. As you are voting, may the God Almighty, the Creator of the whole universe, bless you abundantly. My WhatsApp number remains 0805-7837-672. Thank you all, and remain blessed.